Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Ford F-150. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, satellite radio, backup camera. Get more out of a light-duty pickup than you ever thought possible. This F-150 is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.